My little parrot mouth. If words had legs, Amaka's own would run faster than a rabbit chased by a hungry lion. In the lively village of Agbanlaudo, where palm trees swayed and the scent of roasting yams filled the air, there lived a girl with a tongue as restless as a market square on Eke Day. People called her Little Parrot Mouth because she could not keep a secret to save her own life. One day, Mama Nkechi, the village trader, whispered to Amaka, "My daughter, I have hidden my best tubers of yam behind my hut. The market price will rise next week, so I will sell them then. Don't tell anyone." Amaka nodded eagerly. Ah, Mama Nkechi, you know me now. My mouth is sealed like a calabash. But by the time the sun had traveled halfway across the sky, Amaka had already told her best friend, Ikenna. Hey, Mama Nkechi kept her big fat yam behind her hut. She go sell am next week when the price don rise. Ikenna's eyes widened. He ran off and told Chidi. Who told Ada? Who told? Well, by evening, the whole village knew. The next morning, Mama Nkechi woke up to find her yams gone. Chineke, my yams! Who told people where I kept them? She stormed into the village square, eyes scanning round the crowd. Amaka, come here. Amaka tiptoed forward, heart pounding. Mama Nkechi, I I I didn't mean to. I I only told so. The village elders gathered, shaking their heads. Amaka. Proverbs 21:23 says, "Whoever guards his mouth and his tongue keeps himself out of trouble." But your mouth is like an open basket. Everything just dey pour comot. The villagers decided to teach Amaka a lesson. For one whole week, she had to carry a live parrot everywhere she went. And whenever she spoke, the parrot would scream, "Bagam! Amaka don't talk again." Even when she whispered, "My mama cooked jollof rice today," the parrot would shout, "She cook am with crayfish too." The whole village laughed and teased her. Amaka couldn't hide anything, not even her own thoughts. At first, she was embarrassed, but soon she began to think before speaking. She remembered Proverbs 10:19. When words are many, sin is not absent, but whoever restrains his lips is wise. Slowly, Amaka learned the power of silence and wisdom in speech. One day, an elder confided in her about an important matter. Amaka listened but said nothing. The elder smiled. "Now you are wiser. The tongue is small but mighty. Just like fire, it can warm or destroy." From that day, Amaka was no longer called Little Parrot Mouth. Instead, she became Amaka the Wise. And anytime she saw a parrot, she would just smile and say, "Not today, my friend, not today." The moral of this story is Proverbs 13 verse 3. He who guards his lips guards his life, but he who speaks rashly will come to ruin. Our words carry power. Let us use them wisely. If you've listened to this story to this point, you are the real MVP. Please like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more videos like this one. Bye-bye. See you next time.